Welcome. This video will show you how to add AI chatbot to Squarespace. All right. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use an AI, which is produced by thinkstack.ai. All right. Now, if you do have other websites that you can use, just go ahead and do that. I'm just going to show you how to embed it. And here, let's go ahead and get started. All right. I'm going to create a fresh account right here. And it's going to ask the basics about the name, email. Just go ahead and do that, or just continue using Google, as it is pretty fast. Right here, the setup organization name, for example, the Lazy Daddy. Next, chatbot name. Make sure that you name your chatbot accordingly. All right, as the bot will show up in here. All right, for example, the bot is called the Lazy Bot. All right, hit on next. Company website. You can skip this one if you haven't bought your own domain yet. All right, I'm just gonna skip this. Now, as you can see, here's the bot, the Lazy Bot, and here's what it looks like. So what we're gonna do in here, if you want to, you can train the bot. All right. So obviously, I'm not gonna do that, as there are a lot of things right here in these tabs that you can edit. All right, and the website that you're using might be different as well. So what we're going to do is just find the embed, or the code for embedding. All right, now in here, just go ahead and go to embed. And as you can see, we have multiple options right here. It could be bubble view, bar view, iframe view, or conversational form. All right, just for this example, we're going to use the bubble view. All right, the ones that we can see right here at the bottom right. I'm going to tick on bubble view, then I'm going to tick the copy button right here. As you can see, script copied. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to our Squarespace website. All right, as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and hit on edit, and we're ready to go. Down here, just go ahead and click add block. All right, click on add block. Now in here, locate embed, which is right here. Click on embed, and then I'm going to want to click on edit. Right here, instead of link, go ahead and click code snippet, then embed a data. All right, right here, add the code, just right click and hit on paste. All right, as you can see here, it has been added. Just go ahead and hit on back, or click on a black space right here on your website itself. All right, don't worry, this one doesn't show, or wouldn't show, for the customer's preview or customer's view. All right. Just go ahead and make sure that you click on save. Once that's done, try to restart or refresh the page. And as you can see here at the very bottom, you'll be able to find your chatbot, or AI chatbot. That's basically it. As you can see here, when we type in hi, it will reply that the bot hasn't been trained yet. All right, as you can see, the bot hasn't been trained yet. Please input the data and proceed with the training process. And here from ThinkStack, we're going to go ahead and edit that in here. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.